Sumabak na sa mandatory alternative service si Suga na global superstars na BTS. Sinabayan ng kanyang label na Big Hit Music sa news agency na AFP. Ayon naman sa South Korean news agency na Yonhap, itatalaga si Suga bilang social service agent at hindi sa combat duty. Hindi dinetalye ang dahilan pero posibleng may kinalaman daw ito sa injury niya sa balikat noong 2020. Bago mag-enlist, nag-post si Suga sa fan community app ng Weverse ng sulat para sa Army. Nagpasalamat siya at nangakong babalik sa 2025. Nauna nang pumasok sa military service ang kamiyembro niyang sina Jin at J-Hope. Lalo pang lumaki ang GMA Sparkle Artist Center family. Yan ay matapos pumirma ng kontrata ang halos 50 celebrities at online influencers. Kabilang sa mga dumalo sa pinaka-engrande at pinakamalaking annual GAN contract signing event na Sign for Stardom, ang maging sino ka man lead stars na sina Barbie Forteza at David Licauco.
To our Kapuso stars who are renewing their contracts, we are pleased to continue working with all of you and watching you in our shows. And to our new Sparkle artists, rest assured that we will take good care and provide opportunities to help achieve your goals. Congratulations to all.
Sana ay maging committed sila sa kanilang work. They stay humble and maging talagang mabuting tao lang sila and they will find success.